Hello, this is Dr. Yamada. So in this series of videos, I've been introducing the APA style 7th edition rules. In the first few videos, I discussed the rules of the in-text citation. In the video 3 and 4, I discussed the rules for referencing scientific articles. So in this part 5, I'm going to introduce the rules for citing a textbook and a website. One important thing regarding all of my video is my channel and videos is for students, graduate students, and a professional who want to know the scientific writings in the science major. So I'm going to limit myself to introducing the rules of citing the textbook and also the website that's published by an organization. Because in scientific writing, you would not want to cite somebody's blog or you would not want to cite somebody's random book. You want the high quality, more objective information. So when you cite a textbook, the rules that are the same from the previous videos is the in-text citation rules. And when it comes to the rules for references, the author's name list and the year are exactly the same. What's different when you cite a textbook is the title of the book and the publisher. When you cite a scientific article, you do not italicize the title of the manuscript, right? But when you actually cite a textbook, you italicize the title of the book. So, for example, the title of the book is A Physiology of Sport and Exercise, and the publisher name is Human Kinetics. Then, the APA style citation of a textbook should look like this. You start with the author's name, right? And the year, we already talked about that. And italicize the title of the book. And following the normal English grammar. And many textbooks have different editions, right? Those editions should be written in the parentheses. So 7th edition would be 7th ed dot. Okay. After the title, you put a period and write out the publisher. In this example, you are looking at a screenshot of an NIH website. The title of the page is Testing Ways to Encourage Exercise, right? And you have a data publication, and the site name is NIH Research Matters. So on the right side is the APA style citation. Even if it's written by somebody, we consider that is a representative voice of the organization. So you can put the name of the organization, National Institutes of Health. And then followed by year, the title of the page should be italicized. Okay. And the site name should be written in a normal letters, followed by the URL. So breakdown of the basic rule, organization name. The very different one from the cite in textbook or scientific article is here. When you cite a textbook or scientific article, you only needed to put the year, but for the website, you put the year and the month and date of publication. And then the title of the page italicized, the site name, normal letters, and URL. And if you cannot find the published date, you can put ND in the parentheses. But again, this video is really for undergraduate students, graduate students, and professional in science major who's trying to learn how to cite for assignments, a master's thesis, doctoral dissertation, or scientific manuscript. So you have to think about this. Can you trust the information who doesn't even put the published date? So that's another thing you have to think about. So you might want to look for a better quality information. So if you have more questions and details, I always recommend students to go to this website. Okay?